In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone an admin on Slack. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure everything is done correctly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Slack website. Open your favorite web browser and type in the official Slack URL. Once there, you'll notice a Sign In button prominently located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll see several options for logging into your Slack workspace. For simplicity and ease, I recommend clicking on the Google option to sign in using your Google account. This is a quick method, especially if you already have your Google credentials saved or if you typically use those to access your accounts. Enter your Google email and password if prompted, then proceed to sign in. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your Slack homepage. Now here's an important part. You'll want to navigate to the specific channel in which you want to make someone an admin. Once you've located it, right-click on the channel name. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select View Channel Details. This is crucial as it allows you to see comprehensive information about the particular channel and manage its settings accordingly. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen showing various channel specifics. Next, find and click on the Members tab within this panel. Here, you'll see a list of all current members in the channel. Locate the member you wish to promote to admin. Once you've found them, move your cursor to their profile and click on the three dots next to their name to access additional actions or settings. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll see an option to Make Channel Manager. Click on it. This step assigns the member additional responsibilities and privileges, allowing them to help with channel management tasks. To finalize the process, confirm your action by clicking Make Channel Manager again. You'll get a confirmation prompt just to ensure this is indeed the step you want to take. Confirming will officially make them a channel admin. And there you have it. You've successfully made someone an admin on a Slack channel. This new role allows them more control over the channel and enables them to assist in various managerial tasks to keep things running smoothly. Remember, assigning admin rights is a significant responsibility, so ensure the chosen person is ready for this new role. Thank you for watching and see you next time.